Hey there, West Houston business owners. If you're relying on QuickBooks for accounting, invoicing, or payroll, listen up, because cybercriminals are targeting you. QuickBooks scams are on the rise. These fraudsters are getting smarter, more convincing, and more dangerous. But don't worry, Impress IT Solutions has got your back. So, what do these scams look like? Well, they come in 4 scary forms. First up, the dreaded fake invoice emails. You get an email from QuickBooks with an urgent link or a support number. Click it and bam, your credentials are stolen. Next, the support call scams. These sneaky attackers call, claiming your QuickBooks license has expired or there's suspicious activity. They want remote access to your computer, don't fall for it. Third, spoofed login pages. Emails with fake QuickBooks login links. Enter your info and it's game over. Lastly, vendor payment fraud. Scammers impersonate past vendors asking for payment changes with fake banking details. One wrong move and you're out big bucks. What's at stake? A lot. Your banking and payroll accounts, sensitive customer data, and your hard-earned reputation. Impress IT Solutions has seen these attacks up close and knows how to stop them. Here's how we protect you: credential security and monitoring, multi-factor authentication and alerts if your credentials show up on the dark web, employee scam awareness training. We train your team to spot phishing emails, spoofed calls, and fake login pages. Advanced email filtering. We catch and quarantine phishing attempts before they hit your inbox. Remote access protection. Blocking unauthorized remote access tools scammers use to invade your system. Secure backups and incident recovery. If compromised, we recover data, revoke access, and secure your environment fast. Stay one step ahead of scammers with Impress IT Solutions. We're here to keep your QuickBooks safe and your money where it belongs. Contact Impress IT Solutions today for a cybersecurity checkup and protect your business from the next wave of scams. See you next time and stay safe.